Okay guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. This will probably be, I hope, the last time we have to do our lotion. I want to address two elephants in the room really quick first. First of all, I'm fighting a upper respiratory infection, so my breathing may be a little strange. You can hear that. And the second elephant is I realized that on all of these lotion videos, I'm wearing the same pair of leggings. So, I swear to God, I changed my clothes. But let me give you an update from the March 24th batch of lotion. It was given out to the girls at my daughter's work, and the girl that wanted the March 11th lotion, that wanted to buy it, wanted to know how much it was immediately. She actually likes the March 11th lotion better than the March 24th lotion. And if you're just watching this video new and you haven't seen those other two videos, the difference was my humectant. In the March 11th, I used honey as my humectant, and in the March 24th, I used vegetable glycerin as my humectant. Well, my niece came over and she says to me, well, why don't we do half and half? So that's what this is. This is, my humectant is half vegetable glycerin and half honey. So lotion is made in 3 phases. We have our water phase. This is aloe vera juice, and this has my honey and my vegetable glycerin in it. And we have our oil phase, which has my shea butter, sunflower oil, my emulsifying wax, my bee pollen, vitamin E, and D-all-panthenol. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link both of those videos either in the iCard or in the description box below, and figure out how to do those iCards things. But these have to be heated and held. So what that means is I am going to put them on my double boiler, because I don't have the pan that I use upstairs, because we are downstairs. Like I said, yay! But I'm going to put these on my double boiler. I'm going to heat them to 185 degrees, and then I'm going to hold them there for 20 minutes. So we will come back when these are heated and held. Oh, I forgot to say that some of the other girls really did like the vegetable glycerin as a humectant better, and I certainly liked it better. My daughter liked it better, so, you know, we've sort of got this whole mixed thing, so that's why we're doing this. Okay, I'll be back when these are heated and held. You guys, the date of this test, this date is April 1st, so first we're going to weigh see how much water, aloe vera we lost. So we started out with 752 and we are at 741. So I have some heated aloe vera juice in here. So we need to get it back up to that 752. There's 51. 52. Okay. So let me get rid of my scale and lay this towel back out. Now, what's going to happen is, just like before, we're going to take Bernadette and we are going to pulse to get this. Can you guys see? Yeah. We're going to pulse this to get it to mix in the aloe vera juice. So let me do that. Ooh! Really? You've got to be kidding me. Yep, it's going to flash. Okay, hold on. Oh my goodness. Bernadette is apparently powerful. Oh, actually, that's better. That photography light, you know, that light does not flash when I use Simon. That's so strange. Okay, let's get this done. Okay, so we have a nice creamy white. Hopefully you can see that. My self might be creating shadow. I hope not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put music on for you guys like you did before. And apparently somebody, my son is calling me to wish me happy birthday because today is my birthday. Hi, can I film really quick and then like, okay, hold on, hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Let's get this planted up. Okay, now that I've managed to make a little bit of a mess, not as much of a mess as I made upstairs. Let me scrape this down. So I'll give you a temp. I actually let this batch get a little bit hotter than I ordinarily would, but it got held. Oh, that's 123. That's not bad. Because when I, something. Oh my goodness, my brain is bad today. See, this is what happens when you turn 50. You immediately just forget things. Oh, when I first took the temp on these, it was like 124, the aloe vera was. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes to cool off. And by the way, in case this is the first video you've seen, this is what we call phase 3. It is the cool down phase. This is where you would add your fragrance, your color, your preservative, that kind of thing. But because this is a test batch, like the 2 times before this, there is no color, no fragrance in this. So I will be back in 10 minutes. We are back. And by the way, because Bernadette is so powerful, if we have to make another batch, we're going to be doing it upstairs again. Okay, it's 1:15. I'm going to go ahead and pulse it for a few. Okay, we're making a little bit of a mess here. And also, in case you're, this is the first one you're watching, I like to add my preservative when my lotion is closer to 100 degrees. So we are going to let this set, cool down for another 10 minutes or so. Let me check the temp again. It's 117. Did that temp go up? Did I not get a 116? Okay, so it's going down. And again, I apologize for my son. I mean, I can't really apologize necessarily because they're in Okinawa and they are 13 hours ahead of us. So it is close to their bedtime. It's 10 o'clock there. Tomorrow. It's really funny. My daughter Lauren, when they got to Okinawa, she asked her brother, "What is it like in the future? Do they have flying cars?" My son was not impressed. I thought it was hilarious. Okay, so we're going to let it cool down for another 10 minutes. Okay, guys, it is, let me take the temperature here. I think it was 103 when I checked. Oh, it says 97. Okay, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape this off before I add my preservative. That way my preservative gets on all the lotion. It'll be easier for me to incorporate it all. It's easier to stick blend when the lotion is cooled down too. Okay. Alright, let me add my preservative really quick. And as always with my preservative, there is 0.11. I don't know why that number keeps coming up when I pour it in there. But I always add just a little bit more because I can't always get it scraped out. Although I love this cute little bowl. That's so cute. It came with a set, but the only thing I really could use it for, like if I was baking, would be to measure my vanilla, I suppose. Okay. Like I said, can't get it all out. Alright. So we're gonna pulse this at first, and then I'm gonna give it a really good stick blend. Okay, I made a huge mess. That's all over my jacket, all over everything. Okay, let me pull my sleeve up again, and I'm gonna re-alcohol. I gotta alcohol my alcohol bottle. Okay. You know me, I'm a freak about sanitation. Alright, so now that the preservative is it's really blended in. It's really blended in. I'm gonna let this set up by itself, let it get a little bit thicker, and we are going to give this, of course, to the same people that we gave the other ones to. I also have a soap maker that I am going to give all three to, that I'm just gonna number the caps and send her a little card and tell her, you know, she can open up that card after she's tested all three to see which one she likes the best. So, okay. Alrighty. Okay, so we are going to let this set up naturally, guys. I will see you when it's all set up, and then I'm going to try it again. Okay, guys. Here is our nice, thick, creamy lotion. It's not all the way cooled down. Let me take a temp. It's at 90 degrees. But I am going to put it in its little jars. And then I will, these are the little jars that I use. And it is still, I mean, it's thick, but it's not quite, you know, thick enough. But I figured if I put it in here a little bit thinner, maybe I wouldn't have to pound it so much to get it all in there. So, but yeah, I will do these, and these will go to, like I said, the girls that have already tried the other two. So, yeah, I will be back to try it for myself. Oh, I had to come back and tell you, I will not close these up until it is cooled down completely, because we don't want any moisture to build up from the heat of this underneath the lid, because the water is, that heat and water are a breeding ground for bacteria. So, alright guys, I'll see you to test it.
Okay, guys, guess who forgot to turn on the microphone? That would be me. So my hands are all dry. I didn't cheat again. And I go ahead and I take the lotion, showing you how nasty and gross my hands are. Okay, when I first put the lotion, it soaked in really well. You know, you can see there how good it soaked in. But I don't know if you can tell from the camera view, it made my hands really shiny, and I didn't like it at all because I don't know, it kind of felt slimy to me, and I don't understand how that happened. So this test was a complete and utter failure as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it to stop being shiny, trying to figure out why it's doing that. I actually literally washed my hands after I put this lotion on. I did not like it at all. So this will definitely not be uh, something that I will produce. I'm not even sure I want to give it out to the people who I gave the other two to. But I am. I'm going to let them decide for themselves. See how shiny my hands are? It's terrible. I don't like it. So anyway, I will see you guys later. I'm going to go ahead and like do a video where I say which one was picked and which one was liked best. And I will do another lotion video where I color it, fragrance it, that kind of thing, so y'all can see that as well. So, all right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.